When I was 14, I realized there's a smarter way to earn money. My first ever side income was actually an events helper job that pays me $5 an hour, $40 for 8 hours of work every day. Now, because of the long hours, it truly feels like a full-time job rather than a side income. But soon I found out that if I'm the one referring the $5 per hour headcount to the event organizer, I get to earn $1 for every hour that they work. And if I have 20 person under me working every day, I earn $20 per hour every single day. Now, the first scenario uses my time to exchange for value. The second scenario uses my network. In this video, instead of giving you 10 examples of side income which you can definitely Google for yourself, I'm going to share with you the pros and cons in each of these categories so that you can consider and figure out whether they are suitable for your situation. Now, I'll also be sharing some examples in each of these categories so that you can consider along the way. The three categories are time, expertise, and network. Now, there's also a fourth category which is making money with money. That is fantastic too. But if you already have a large chunk of money sitting somewhere idling around, you probably won't be watching this video learning how to make extra side income. So I'll leave that out for now and focus on these three. The first one is to trade time with money. Now, this is the lowest hanging fruit. It is not effective, not scalable, and not sustainable over a long period of time. But if you're just starting out, don't have much expertise, and looking for the most straightforward method to earn some cash, this would be it. These are generally jobs that you can get started right away with minimum amount of training. For example, you can do food delivery with Foodpanda or Grab. You can provide home cleaning services with Urban Company. You can join focus group or survey company and get a fee from there. And my personal favorite is to be mystery diner and get paid to eat. The good thing is there are tons of companies that are willing to pay you to be their mystery diner, mystery shopper, or join their focus group. All you need to do is just to Google for it. Trading time with money is great in the sense that anyone can get started with it right away. But on the flip side, because the barrier to entry is so low, the pay would be relatively lower compared to the other income sources available. And because the pay is lower, you will need to work a longer hours to hit the same amount of target. The second option is to trade expertise with money. The good news is that because we are in the information age right now, we can almost learn anything that we want on the internet if we commit our time and effort to it. We're not in some fantasy world where we are born into it with a unique skill set. Every expert started from zero to where they are today. Selling and expertise also means that you are able to charge more when you get better at your craft, and you are not operating as an employee but a self-employed or a freelancer. Means you will no longer be compensated on an hourly basis but based on the value that you bring to the table. Here are some ideas. You can be buying or selling things online by taking advantage of price differences on different platforms. For example, it's very popular to be buying things wholesale from Alibaba and reselling them on Shopee or Carousel. Or you can be buying second-hand items on Carousel or those renovation groups where people are clearing items away at low price and reselling them on other platforms for a higher price. You can even be selling photos that you have taken during your travel, sound effects, videos, cooking recipes, or icons and online courses that you have designed. There is already a specialized platform for you to make money on all these items available. There's also a crazy demand for professional services right now. Things like marketing, branding, website designer, language translator, proofreading, illustrator, contract drafting. Endless demand for all this, endless options available. And the most popular website to be providing all these services is Fiverr.com. You can even be selling unique experiences for tourists through Airbnb. If you have a skill set, you can sell it. For example, I have a friend who earns a side income of $1,000 per month for 10 hours of work by providing proofreading services for foreign companies who are trying to enter the Singapore market. And that is just one project. The pros of using your expertise is that whatever skills you learn, it sticks with you through life. The better you get at it, the more you will earn. And over time, it can even be scaled up into a business. Now, the downside is that learning a new skill takes time, effort, interest, and money. This will not be suitable for everyone, but over the longer term, this will be more beneficial. Last but not least is to use your network. To me, out of everything that I have mentioned, I think this is the most powerful one. It usually comes in the form of referral incentives or affiliate marketing. We are using the network to create value for others in exchange for monetary incentives. For example, a tour guide bringing their guests to a local store in exchange for some sort of commission whenever they buy something. An influencer recommending products or services to their followers. Or as simple as you providing your referral code, Uber referral code to your friends. Or most recently, the very popular concept of group buy. So all these are acts of you directing traffic to someone else in exchange for a commission. This is making use of your network. The good thing about this is that you do not need to come up with any sort of products or services. All you need to do is to make the referral and earn a commission from it. Now the downside is that you will need to spend a lot of time and effort in building up this community or finding a network that you can leverage upon. A very good example of this is the website called Tom's Guide, where he writes review articles on the coolest and latest tech gadgets and tools. And every time you read the articles and you click on the link, it sends you to Amazon. And for every dollar that you spend on Amazon, they will earn a commission from it. If you look around, there are plenty of examples of side income that we can adopt. The challenge lies in finding the right type that suits our situation and interest the most. The reason why most people are unable to build one is because they give up exploring for the right type, or they are not willing to go deep enough into their craft to make it work. The truth is, most people are just interested in trying things out and are not committed to making things work. If we were to spend long enough exploring and figuring things out, I'm sure we'll eventually find something that works for us. Even if you're not there yet, whatever you have tried so far will become a stepping stone for you to do better in future. I hope this breakdown today will provide you with a better idea on your exploration journey. Keep going and have fun exploring.